Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these crazy easy yarn Christmas trees. So let's get started. Okay, to make these crazy easy Christmas trees, first you're going to make a cone in the following manner. Now after you have your cardboard cone made, you're going to cover your trees, and you can use anything. This is jute, this is fun yarn, and this is a boucle type yarn, and this is just that Christmas greenery, and this is some sparkly fun yarn. So I'm going to get started and show you how crazy easy this is to make. So I'm going to use this piece of yarn, and I'm going to tuck the end down inside the top of the tree like that. And then I'm just going to take some Elmer's glue, and I'm going to put some around the tree, and I'm going to start winding this around the tree in the glue. It's a little bit difficult to get started, but once you get started, it moves along very quickly. And now I'll add some more glue and continue to roll. And I'll just place a paper clip on here just to hold that while it's drying. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these cute little trees. So now you could decorate this any way you like. You could add some sequins or beads. And I have some gold trim here. I could twirl that around like that. And maybe add a little star at the top. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these crazy easy yarn Christmas trees. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like and please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.